ठीक है. So this is a case of nulliparous prolapse, and as you can see, पकड़ो, बस ऐसे रखो, शाबाश. पीछे जो sacral promontory दिखाओ. Here we are using axon, so now we've totally stopped using harmonic. We are using either Allen or we are using axon. Right, put me.
Dr. Nikita, not very clear.
What is not very clear?
The audio is not very clear. I couldn't hear you.
बेटा मेरा हाथ छोड़ दो please. Is the audio clear now?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so basically this is the transmesorectal plane that we go in. I'm going to show you two methods and two dissections. One is what the usual dissection, which is what everybody has been showing since morning. And the other one, that is the sacral promontory and going down to the levator ana and anchoring the mesh. And the other part which I'll show you is in people who don't want a mesh, we do a sacrospinous hystropexy. I'll show you the sacrospinous also. This is the angel's hair or the transmesorectal plane, as you can see. So here I'm dissecting the transmesorectal plane. Camera सीधा पकड़ो बेटा. Yes. So giving a good stretch, a good part of it, and being in that avascular plane, there is a good plane here which is called the transmesorectal plane, because the suction दो, इधर concentrate करो please, suction दे दो, ये fluid निकालने दो, यहाँ पे मुझे fluid नहीं चाहिए. This transmesorectal plane is, the rectum is surrounded by the, suction on कर दीजिए please, suction connect कीजिए please. The rectum is surrounded by the visceral fascia and the pelvis is surrounded by the parietal fascia. Between the two fascial layers we have to go. So as you can see here, grass par pakdo beta. This is the attenuated uterosacral. You have to remain here. This is the other side, attenuated uterosacral. I have to remain here. So I'll hold the rectum, pull it up sharply and remain medial to that. Axon is again very good. Both these instruments, Allen and Axon, both have totally replaced harmonic. As you can see how this is functioning so beautifully. Is the mic with me, or you can continue watching me and you can be with Dr. Hafiz? As far as the audio goes, is the audio with Dr. Hafiz only?
No, the audio is with you, Dr. Nikita.
So you can give the audio to Dr. Hafiz. I think this is something which is, when I come to dissect the sacrospinous, which has not been shown since morning, I'll ask for the mic. Till then you can go and be with Dr. Hafiz.
Sure.
Hafiz sir.
see that this is bilaterally I have exposed the levator ani, and you can see the wide part of the levator ani, which I'd like to show you, the three parts of the levator ani. This is the puborectalis, which is the medial most part. This is the puborectalis. Then the pubococcygeus, and the lateral part is the iliococcygeus. Now when you come here, okay, when we are doing a sacrospinous hystopexy, then you will come to the ischial spine. Now my colleague here, Dr. Shuchi, will show you. I am putting my finger here through the vagina into the ischial spine. So my ischial spine is here. So if I have to do a sacrospinous hystopexy, I will be going here, okay, towards the ischial spine, and then opening it over here. This case we are doing a mesh repair, which is a mat ka jao na ek side pe please. This is a mesh repair, so I am not going in like that. But had I idhar pakad lo, ye pakdo, shabash. Had I needed to do a sacrospinous part, ye kya kiya? Piche aa jao. Then I would have gone, piche aa jao, port piche karo, left wala port piche karo please. I would have gone here, okay, idhar aao, yeah. So this will be the, this part will, I will be going in this plane. Should I show it to you anyway? Should I demo the sacrospinous, or is it okay?
Yes, yes, Dr. Nikita.
So if I am going, this part is the levator ani. Here I will be going, and inside on the pelvic floor, this is where we go for sacrospinous hystopexy. अंदर आ जाओ बेटा, कॉक्सीजियस मसल दिखा दे एंड सैक्रोस्पाइनस दिखा. अपनी फिंगर डालो ischial spine की तरफ. Can you see this muscle?
Yes, ma'am.
That is your coccygeus part coming there. आ जाओ बेटा. यार यूट्रस को एंटीवर्टेड रखो और ischial spine पे अपनी फिंगर डालो. बीच में मत आओ, ischial spine पे फिंगर डालो बेटा. हाँ, ठीक है. कित्थे? पूजा पीछे आके दिखा. Are you feeling the ischial spine बेटा? ये पोर्ट पीछे करो. आपसे दोनों चीज़ें नहीं पकड़ी जा रही, तो आप ये डायलेटर उस लड़के को दे दो और आप ischial spine पकड़ो. जाओ, फिंगर डालो. हाथ छोड़ो मेरा. फिंगर डालने की जगह दो ना उस बेचारी को. आप पीछे आ जाओ. फील हुई ischial spine? ये पकड़. दिखाओ. You can feel my instrument ना. So पीछे आ जाओ. पूजा प्लीज पीछे आओ. So this is the ischial spine here. Can you see that? So this is what she is palpating, is the ischial spine there. पूजा दिखा दो ना. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So
yes.
we will go towards that medial part. Yeah, you can remove that. And then go on. Camera सीधा कर लो please बेटा. And then go on. ये bleeding फालतू की चालू हुई. आप एक बारी कैमरा सीधा कर दो बेटा. And then go on over here. Over here. For the so that is your sacrospinous ligament from top. You will be taking the medial part of it, not the lateral part. And when we do this, idhar aao beta, andar aa jao. When we do this dissection, we take this part of the sacrospinous over here, dikhao, or we anchor it here. So this comes, the dissection goes more posterior. The cervix will get more posteriorly allocated. Okay, पीछे आओ एक बारी. What I mean to say is, if I take this cervix and anchor it here, my vaginal axis will go posteriorly. If I take it here and put it over here on the sacral promontory, then my vaginal axis comes over here onto the promontory, and the natural axis of the vagina is towards S4 vertebra. So when you do sacrospinous over here, the axis goes more posteriorly and our chances of anterior issues, SUI, are more. And when you do a pectopexy, picha, when you do a pectopexy, either, then you are going here. So your vaginal axis goes more anterior. So the ideal axis, ye pakdo, ideal axis is the sacral promontory. Perforate karogi. Shachi. So now that we have dissected, we are not doing a sacrospinous. Had it been a sacrospinous hystropexy, which is a case which we do for non-mesh cases here, that is over here. But now we are doing a mesh case. So this is my levator ani, which is my innermost part, which is the puborectalis part. You can see the rectum going in here. This is the part where I will be anchoring my mesh. Mesh tacker secure strap de do. So this is mesh tacker secure strap. I'll be using a 15 by 15 mesh. You can see this, how the rectum is going in here.
Yes, very
Yes,
clear,
ma'am.
Dr. Nikita.
So this is the medial most part of the levator ani, which is the puborectalis. Okay?
When we had started, Dr. Nikita, you
Ma'am?
said that we will be doing a sacrospinous. So anything that made you change it?
No,
Yeah.
I didn't say I'm going to do a
You
sacrospinous.
wanted to
I
show
said
it.
I'll just
Okay.
demo the sacrospinous.
Okay.
Patient wants a mesh here. Aage dikha do. In cases, because nowadays we are getting cases who say we don't want mesh. So in those
Ma'am,
cases,
in non-mesh cases,
हाँ,
will you prefer a laparoscopic sacrospinous fixation or a high uterosacral ligament fixation?
laparoscopic sacrospinous, definitely. I want fixed
And
ligaments.
why not high uterosacral ligament?
I don't like high uterosacral. I feel that it is not that good as much as a sacrospinous fixation. Definitely not as good. And we use a fiber suture, which is what the orthopedicians use for the sacrospinous. So it's a permanent suture, which is very good.
And what are the complications that you have seen with laparoscopic sacrospinous fixation?
With anteriorly, you have to do a repair, and because after that you will find SUI will be more. बेटा फुट दे दो मेरे पास.
Complication specific to the suture placement, madam.
Complication specific to the suture placement will be if you go lateral, you can have a pudendal damage.
Suppose one has gone medially and still the patient is having chronic buttock pain. What is the reason?
ये arbitrary questions बहुत पूछ रहे हो, मुझे समझ नहीं आई what is the question only, to be honest.
Ma'am, what I want to tell is that sacrospinous ligament, we take the suture on the, when we take the suture on the ligament, there are two nerves, nerve to the coccygeus muscle, that nerve get entangled inside the suture, so the patient will get chronic buttock pain.
That is when you do it vaginally. Laparoscopically, you will be able to see it. You will not have such problems. You just have to see that you are taking the medial part. Laparoscopically, that is why I prefer the laparoscopic sacrospinous, because here I am at the perineal.
That nerve is inside the muscle, madam. You cannot see it.
We can see it.
Okay, ma'am.
We can see all the nerves, everything. But if we have another case, I'll show that. This will, now I'm at the perineal body. Okay, this is down. Piche aa jao. And when I'm doing a sacrospinous, which will be on this side, then we have to make sure that we take the medial part of the sacrospinous ligament. But here, I'm just going to put in the mesh and finish this case. This is just a hystropexy. There is a slight difference in this case. We use Marcelline tape anterior posteriorly all around instead of Ethibond. Okay. I'll just show you how we do it. This is for nulliparous prolapse. Okay. Now पोट पकड़ लीजिए और mesh दीजिए. Mesh काटने के लिए दीजिए. मेरा glasses ऊपर कर दो, मुझे mesh externally काटने दो. ऊपर करो. मेरे चश्मा नहीं, सिर्फ 3D glasses. So ये बाहर का image दिखा दो. So when you have to fashion this mesh, secure strap or tacker भी लिया हुआ है? Okay. Hold this please. hold this please. Thank you. मसलिन टेप लिया ना बेटा? मसलिन टेप चाहिए मुझे. हटो. ये पकड़ो ऐसा. ऐसा पकड़ो. शाबाश. बीच में से. So we cut the mesh in the center, and that we cut is so that the rectum can glide. You can see I kept the fascia on top of the sacral promontory and the sacral bone so that the nerves don't get damaged. ग्रास्पर दे दो और मेरा चश्मा नीचे कर दो. 3D ग्लासेस नीचे कर दो प्लीज. 3D ग्लासेस नीचे करो. मेरा चश्मा भी अंदर कर दो बेटा. थैंक यू. हाँ थैंक यू. आप क्लीन कर लेते तब तक. आ जाओ. एंटीवर्ट प्लीज. यस बेटा दूसरा छोटा ग्रास पर दे दो. मैरीलैंड दे दो और टॉप लाइट बंद करो प्लीज. टॉप लाइट बंद करो. ये बड़े बड़े ग्रास पर निकालो. छोटे छोटे ग्रास पर दो ना. एक छोटा ग्रास पर और दे दो मैरीलैंड राइट पोर्ट में. जगह ही नहीं है. अंदर आ जाओ बेटा. अंदर आओ. अंदर आओ. शाबाश. सिक्योर स्ट्रैप दो. सिक्योर स्ट्रैप दो. सेंटर में सिक्योर स्ट्रैप दो. अंदर आ जाओ.
Ma'am, is the rectal side and the lateral side correct of the mesh?
Sorry? That's okay.
Side that you fractured,
कहीं
not the
से भी आ जाए. I know you are trying to say that cut should be that side. That's okay. इंस्ट्रूमेंट दो ना. क्यों सक्शन दे रहे हो? कोई ब्लड दिख रहा है क्या तुम्हें? डालो. क्या सक्शन करोगे? एक ड्रॉप नहीं है ब्लड का. पागल आदमी. दे बेटा. Secure strap. My staff is also getting a little nervous with the workshop. रोज का काम भी ये लोग nervous हो जाते हैं. Everybody gets nervous with the workshop. पीछे आओ. Sacral promontory के ऊपर प्रोटैक्ट दे दीजिए. This should be completely loose. Okay. So over dissection, keeping a loose mesh is what we prefer at sunrise. It's a very loose mesh. Can you see that?
Yes, Dr. Nikita.
Yes, ma'am.
Right up दे दो. Marceline tape दे दो. Marceline tape please. Right up please. एक नीडल काट दो. और रीपेरिटोनाइज करने के लिए कुछ दे देना. ये हो गया ये केस. वीलॉग से कर दे. पूजा कर देगी रीपेरिटोनाइज. ये मेरीलैंड दो प्लीज़. मुझे मेरीलैंड दे दो. आप एंटीवर्ट मत करो. रेट्रोवर्ट करो. एक मिनट आप रुक जाओ. सेंटर में आ जाओ. आप बहुत ऑफ सेंटर हो. बस. In the morning you saw how we did the laparoscopic encirclage, right? Now we are going to use the same thing here. पकड़ो. जैसे दे रही हूँ exactly वैसे. Okay? Is the audience with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Dr. Nikita, we are all here.
तुमने इसको moisturize
Watching
किया?
you do it seamlessly.
जेली लगाई थी? क्या अंदर जाके लगाओगे अभी? झूठा. क्या भाई, ये अभी अंदर जाके लगाएगा जली। चल दिखा, यूट्राइन दिखा। So this is what we do when we do an interval circlage. Left port out please. Left port out please. And I'll concentrate on the case. The case is over in 5 minutes. So what we do is, this is the bladder. We don't need to dissect the bladder when we are doing an interval circlage. We just need to see the uterine. You can see the uterine here. यार ये मेरे को सही नहीं लग रहा है, पीछे आ जा। ये पोर्ट से छोड़ दो ना मेरा हाथ। और ये नीडल होल्डर किसने दिया तुम्हें? कौन से कंपनी वाले ने? मेरे को मेरा वाला नीडल होल्डर दो। लेफ्ट पोर्ट बाहर करो। एंटीवर्ट, एंटीवर्ट। ज़्यादा ऊपर आ गया? नहीं, चल जाएगा। एंटीवर्ट डॉक्टर, एंटीवर्ट। So now what we've done is we've passed it through this. मेरा हाथ छोड़ दो ना भाई, क्यों मेरा हाथ पकड़ रहे हो? पोर्ट बाहर करो। पीछे आओ। यार पोर्ट बाहर करो, राइट वाला बाहर करो, खींचो बाहर पोर्ट। राइट पोर्ट बेटा, लेफ्ट नहीं, राइट वाला। हाँ भाई, अटक रहा है ना। इसलिए बोला था इसके अंदर जेली लगा दिया कर। पकड़, दूसरा नीडल होल्डर दे। तो पास नहीं होता ना अच्छे से। सो वन ऑफ द टिप्स विच वी से इज पुट xylocaine jelly, then this will pass in easily, this tape. Otherwise the muslin tape is very irritating. बेटा एक मिनट पीछे आ जाओ। Sure. रेट्रोवर्ट, टेढ़ा मत करो यूट्रस, सिर्फ रेट्रोवर्ट करने बोला था, सिर्फ रेट्रोवर्ट बस, अभी कुछ मत कर बेटा। शाबाश। So now we've passed this, what we did in encerclage in the morning, we are using the same encerclage now for a prolapse surgery. Can you see that?
Yes, Dr. Nikita.
Because this is just a simple, आप निकल जाओ नीचे से, सब छोड़ दो, तभी ऊपर पुल होएगा वो यूट्रस। आप नीचे खींचोगे, मैं ऊपर खींचूंगी, झगड़ा होगा। हार्मोनिक दे दो, ये पकड़ो, हार्मोनिक दो।
In OT3 we have Dr. Osama also starting the case.
So now I'm just finishing the case. You've seen the main steps of the case. All I'm doing is now tying it with the Marceline tape and reperitonizing. So if the audience wants to shift to Dr. Osama, Dr. Hafiz is finished?
Yeah, Dr. Hafiz finished, Dr. Nikita.
Okay, so then now we have Dr. Sanjay Patel coming in there with a case of endometriosis. With or without?
Nikita ma'am, this steps will take care of cystocele as well?
There is no
Because
cystocele.
you did say.
We thought that there is cystocele. That is why I asked her to recheck. Pakado. And when we saw that once we reduce the apical prolapse, everything else gets reduced. I'm so sorry that we thought that there was cystocele, but there was no cystocele.
After you finish, Dr. Nikita,
We'll show you the vaginal part after I finish, so that you believe me more. यार एसी किसने बंद किया है? क्या पाप किया है मैंने?
Ma'am,
Yes.
we can pass this tape without doing bladder dissection.
Yeah, I've just done that in front of you. And I'll show you where the bladder is. This is sunrise hystropexy. All these methods are designed by Dr. Hafiz. See, you can see where the bladder is. Completely down, na? It's not come in this. If you dissect the bladder, the chances of it perforating are more. Okay, and now you can see this uterus completely come up. आप बीच में से हट जाओ, गैस डिफ्लेट करो ताकि नीचे से दिखा सके. गैस डिफ्लेट करो, डिफ्लेट. Can you show the top light? External camera. So the cervix has gone completely up. Can you see this?
yes, Dr. Nikita.
So the cervix has gone completely up. This part which is there is a perineuraphy. So we'll do a colpoperineuraphy. As you can see, there's no cystocele and the apex has gone high up. Can you see that?
Yes.
This part which is there is the lax vagina, and this we will do a posterior colpoperineuraphy for. Okay?
Sure. Thank you.
चलो गैस ऑन करो. Is the audience satisfied or no? गैस ऑन कर दो भाई. Is the audience satisfied
Yes,
with
Dr.
the
Nikita, everybody is really
Yes,
enjoying and learning. Absolutely, yes.
I didn't get any reply, that's why I thought कि शायद समझ गए.
No,
ये पकड़ा.
yeah. We are also engrossed in seeing one thing and the other. It seems so simple when everybody is doing here.
हार्मोनिक दे दो और रिपेरिटोनाइज करने के लिए मुझे वीलॉग दे दो. अभी मैं बोर हो गई हूँ, मैं नहीं कर रही वाइक्रल से. दे देना जो भी. स्टार्टर फिक्स दे दे चल, वो ज़्यादा.
I think we should shift to the OT3 now.
Yeah, you can
Dr.
shift to
Osama
OT3.
has started.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.